What's up guys, it's Ian here back with another video, and today I'm here to bring you a vlog. We're gonna go work out, but first I'm gonna show you meal prepping. More chicken than I normally make, but my training partner told me that his chicken went bad, so I'm making my friend some extra chicken, because you know what they say, can't stop these gains.
Driving around with my baby, top drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded.
I just cut up some sweet potatoes and carrots.
In my heart, got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking away. Yeah, New York in the sunshine, I'm a fool, yeah. I got love blind, and ooh yeah, got my heart out, and it's cold.
It's important to flip the chicken so it cooks evenly. I usually flip it a few times throughout the cooking process. If you ever have to cook more chicken than you thought you did, you can just move the frozen pieces closer to the center of the pan. That way, those pieces will cook faster, and the ones that have been defrosting, you can put them more on the sides of the pan so they cook a little slower. I know it's not optimal to cook frozen chicken with thawed chicken, but sometimes you need to make more food than you anticipated. The rice is done now. The vegetables are almost done. I'm gonna start putting the food in containers, and I'll show you what that looks like. The last step here will be to break the chicken into smaller pieces. That way any segments on the inside of it that might still be raw will finish cooking. And then we'll turn the heat higher and leave the lid off so that way the extra water can evaporate. I just split the chicken in the middle to check if it's raw. If you find that it is still raw in the middle, it can be good to put the lid on for a little bit. That way the steam can help kill any bacteria that might be remaining. Once a utensil touches raw meat, I consider it to be contaminated. It can touch the raw meat multiple times, but once your food is nearing being plated or containered, I'd switch over to a new utensil. Alright, so I just finished cooking the chicken. While that chicken was finishing up, I did all the dishes, dried the counter, cleaned the sink trap. Now, just need to plate this food, eat the first meal of the day, and then we will get this vlog started. Got some chicken left for Skyler. I'm gonna set those two aside to let them air out before I put the lids on. You don't want to put the lid on too early and capture all the steam, because then it can end up kind of soggy. It could arguably be a good thing to capture some of the steam, because that way the rice won't get as hard later in the day. Really personal preference. First meal of the day. What's up guys, it's Ian here back with another vlog, and today we're here at the 24-hour fitness in Walnut Creek. We're about to get this leg workout in. We'll see you inside.
I'll be there in a heartbeat. Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine, I'm a fool, yeah. I got my love blind, and ooh yeah, got my heart out, and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, cause you know it's good, oh baby. We'll never get old. Down Cali, driving around with my baby. Top drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded. My heart got me going all crazy.
If you find that on the pistol spot, your heel on the non-working leg keeps touching the ground, try out this variation. It's a lot easier because it doesn't require nearly as much hamstring or lower back flexibility on that non-working leg.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, I'm with you.
Pro tip, eat chips with a spoon, so that way your hands don't get oily. You heard it here first.
Alright guys, thank you for coming and watching today's vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing me cooking and watching some of my exercise related tips. Let me know down in the comment section below what you'd like to see in the next video. And once again, thank you for watching. Have a good day and can't stop these gains!